Hello guys, my name is AJ. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a friend, and I will be also showing how to count likes and dislikes. So let's get started. I have opened my project in Atom. Now if you go to view users and view any user, you cannot see a add friends button if you created a new user. So this is because the new user does not have any friend, and it is required to be at least having a single friend, because the for each loop does not render if it returns 0. So now this user does not have any friends, that's why we cannot see the add friends button. So for that we will create a if condition out here, which will be I equals 0. If I equal to 0, then it will show the button. Now we can see the button right here. Now I will run npm run watch, because we are going to edit our main.js file. So I will move on to the remove friends function. So I will open my JS out here, and I will first of all console log the response. Oh no, or the just e, yeah, that's enough. And inside our user show.blade.php, I will just open it. Oh no, yes. Now the compiling is over. So now let's test it. Just reload, and if you click that friend, you can see the logging. So inside the target and inner HTML, we can see add friend. So we will change the add friend to remove friend, so that the user can just user can know that if we click the button again, he will be removing that friend. So target dot inner HTML will be remove friend. Okay, so now we need to show the remove friend out here instead of the add friend when the user reloads the page. So we will do that by changing the add friend over here to remove friend, and we'll change the active like class. And now you can see that the add friend changed to remove friend, because this user is already our friend. So now we have to give the function to remove friend. So we will add another class which will be remove friend. Okay, now in the JS file we will create a new function which will be triggered when the user click the remove friend button. So dot click function, and first of all I will prevent default, then I will get the ID of the user, and same like that, and I also need the Axios. So now we have to change the URL to something like friend/remove. Okay, now we register that routes. So I will copy this, paste it there, and remove, and change syntax to remove. So now I will open the front controller and create a new function, the remove and request. So first what we have to do is to find the user. So user will be your friend, find by the request, it is friend ID, I think. That is, yeah, friend ID. Now we can find the friend. Okay, now we will delete the friend and that's it. Now we will return something like this and that's enough. So now here we will change the remove friend to add friend. So now if you click the remove friend button, yeah, there's an error which is request status score 500. So we are getting this error because we are using the wrong method. So in the friend controller we used friend find by the ID, but the friend find will just check for the ID field which is in the friend table. So that's not exactly what we want. So for what we have to do is we will first get all the friends, then we will create a where request or where condition, and the where will be user ID 2 equals the request ID. Okay, it's not ID, it's it is, or where is it? Okay, no there. Okay. Now it's fine. So we will add one more where condition. Yeah, it will be user ID 1 and auth check, not auth check, the auth user ID to get the authenticated user's ID. Now we will get the first one. Okay, now let's try clicking it again, and now that column or the data is deleted successfully. Now we will try it again. Yeah, now the input or the name is not changing, the remove friend is not changing to add friend, and add friend is not changing to remove friend. Now we can fix this by giving separate name. Wait till it compile. Yeah, compile. Now the text is not changing because in our code we are giving the HTML in lowercase. So it should not be in lowercase, but it should be in uppercase. So we'll change it. Now if we click, you can see the text changing. Now we don't want just the text to change, but we also want the class to change. So for that, e.current target dot class name will be same as this. Okay, copy, paste it out here. Yes, that's fine. If we click, we can see the class and the text changes. So now that's all for the remove friend function. Now we will move on to the counting likes and dislike function. So it's very easy. I'll just close everything else and open post index.blade.php. So now we will create two new variables out here to count the likes and dislikes. So first will be like count. So now we will count all the likes. So count. This will count all the likes, including likes and dislikes. So now just I'm doing for the test. I count, just reload, and now you can see the likes. So now we will give a where condition to get only the likes. So like equal true. And now we can only see the likes counted. So we will just copy this and paste it down here and change the like count to dislike count. And if you refresh, you can see both the like and dislike count. Now here you are getting equal number of values. Is because in here we are giving the like equal true and we will change it to false. And now if you reload, you can get the like and dislike. So now we will just copy it here, paste it here. Before that we will give a badge or something. Yeah, badge is enough. So badge here too. First I will work with the like, then move on to the dislike. Okay, now the dislike. See, now think we've missed here. Now we can see the likes and dislikes near the button itself. So if we click this, we can't see the counting increase, but if we reload, we can see the counting will increase. Now we have to do the same for all other posts. So we will just copy this and we'll start with the category, show all, and paste the variables here, and then we'll do it manually. So badge B count and paste it, paste it, paste it, paste, 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 paste. So change the like count to dislike count. Okay, now if you go to any category, you can see the likes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now we can see the likes and dislikes. So now for the view post, we need to show it out here too. So it's not index. Yeah, it is not index. Yeah, it's not index. So yes, post show. So I will just copy it again and paste it there, and we'll copy this. Paste it. Okay, now for the dislike, we'll just copy, paste it everywhere else. Okay, now we can see the likes and dislike. So just return back. Okay, now in the profile, so for testing I will log out and log in as someone else. So we'll just go to the database, users, and I will randomly pick anyone. Just copy, login and password. Yeah, now we are logged in. So only in the liked post we need to show the likes and dislikes. Yeah, I will create a category something. Okay, now go to profile, categories. Yeah, just a like post only. So below here we need to show the likes and dislikes. So here we will count it. Like post, and inside that the likes and count. Now it's returning all the likes including dislike and like. So before that I will get a badge out here. Paste it there. Now I will give a where condition having like equal true. Now it's just count the likes only, not the dislikes. So I will just copy this and paste down here and change the the true to false, and now this will count the dislikes. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. You can always contact me through Twitter, Facebook or in the contact form which is on my own website.